Tripura has a floating palace, ancient temples, beautiful hills, and hidden nature spots. Let's explore the top 30 tourist places of Tripura. Nehru Park location. Gorkhabasti. Kumulung Park location. Kumulung, Agartala. Hatay. Kotor Eco Park location. Kamalnagar. Palm Tree location. Manu. Bangkul Muhammani. Buddha Temple location. Sabrum. Manu. Bangku Kalapanya Nature Park location. Sabrum. Buratali. Kalyan Sagar location. Udaipur. Bashgram location. Katlamara. Banabiti Eco Park location. Dhalabil. Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary location. Mukchari. Roa Wildlife Sanctuary location. Roa. Rabindra Kanan location. Kunjaban. Pilak Historical Stupa location. Paschim Pilak. Bhubaneswari Temple location. Rajnagar. Agartala. Venuvan Buddha Vihara location. Kunjaban. Agartala. Kamaleshwari Temple location. Kamaupur. Chaturdasa Devata location. Khairpur. Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary location. Bhabanipur. Dhananjoy Tripura Eco Park location. Dakshin Hichachara. Jampui Hill location. Kanchanpur. Baramura Eco Park location. Hawaibari. Unakoti Rock Carving location. Gakulnagar. Uttar Unakuti. Rudrasagar Lake location. Melagar. Matabari Temple location. Chandrapur. Nirmahal Place location. Rudijala Sepahijala Wildlife Sanctuary location. Bishalgarh. Dambur Lake location. Amarpur. Ujjayanta Place location. Compound. Indranagar Heritage Park location. Agartala. Narkel Kunj Island location. Mukchari.
Subscribe kay Rodi Tini Bwswk YouTube channel now.